we will continue with topic disorder, and today's our topic is OCD. Full form of OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD. O is denying obsessive, C is denying compulsive, and D is denying disorder. Full form of OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. Now, what is obsessive compulsive disorder? Obsessive compulsive disorder is an anxiety disorder. Okay, it is an anxiety disorder in which time people have recurring unwanted thoughts, ideas, or sense tense is called obsession that make them feel driven to do some repetitively work. So if they are doing repetitively work, it is called compulsions. Okay, so main obsession. So what is the meaning of obsession? Obsession means the disturbing thoughts. The disturbing thoughts are called obsessions. Clear? And compulsive means do something repetitively or do something again and again. It is called compulsive. And compulsion also, if they are doing any activity repetitively and again, it is called main compulsions. Okay, so now point number 1, main obsession, a fear or harm to yourself or loved one. Okay, it is main obsession, and obsession means disturbing thoughts. Okay, and main compulsion, repeating things or always moving item to keep them in exact order. Second point is a fear or consternation by germs, उसको germ से fear होगा. Then after main compulsive क्या होगा इसका, और main compulsions bathing and washing hands several time or many time. Next point is a fear of being embarrassed. Okay, it is main obsession, and main compulsive is checking things over and over again. Next is a fear from getting dirty, जो उसको डर्टी होने से fear होगा. ओके, a fear from getting dirty. Then main compulsion is repeating specific words. Clear? And a fear of making mistake, it is main compulsion, and it is main obsession. Okay, and main compulsive is contents praying. Okay, so these are the some important point of OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Okay, so what is the meaning of obsession? Obsession means craze. Obsession, you can and what is the proper meaning of obsession? Obsession means the disturbing thoughts are called obsession. Clear? OBSESION, obsession. And what is the disturbing thoughts? Thoughts means feeling, ideas, image, desires, recurring unwanted thoughts. And what is the meaning of compulsive? Compulsive means do something repetitively or do something again and again. OCD occur when an individual get catch in a circle of obsession and compulsive. ये कब होगा? When an individual catch in circle of obsession and compulsive. Okay, compulsive, already I told, compulsive means do some activity repetitively, and obsession means disturbing thoughts. Parents with OCD are plagued by constant thoughts of fear that causes them to perform ritual. Ritual means perform certain routine again and again. It is called ritual, or it is called routine. So person with OCD are plagued by constant thought of fear that cause them to perform ritual or routine. Now it is very important point. Okay, the disturbing thoughts are called obsession. The disturbing thoughts are called obsession. And ritual means routine or perform certain routine again, and ritual are called compulsions. Okay, so disturbing thoughts are called obsession, and ritual or perform certain routine again called compulsions. Clear? And second point is OCD is a type of mental disorder that cause repeat unwanted thought. Why OCD is happened? Then it is a mental disorder and the main cause of repeat unwanted thoughts. Next point is individual perform the same activity. How you identified that person get from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder? Then individual perform the same activity अगेन एंड अगेन. अगर वो हैंड वॉश कर रहा है तो कंटिन्यू हैंड वॉश करेगा, ठीक है. नहा रहा है तो कंटिन्यू नहाएगा. स्पेसिफिक कोई वर्ड है उसको बार बार वो रिपीट करेगा. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर टास्क ही और शी विल रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके. नाउ मेन ऑब्सेशन. व्हाट आर द मेन ऑब्सेशन? फर्स्ट इज अ फियर ऑफ हार्म टू योरसेल्फ और लव वन. सेकेंड वन इज अ fear of constant by germs, a fear of being embarrassed, a fear of getting dirty, a fear of making mistakes. Okay. And excessive doubt of an individual. So these are the main obsession, and main compulsions are repeating things, bathing and washing hands many times, checking things over and over again and again, repeating specific words, and praying. So these are the main compulsions. Now causes of OCD. Causes of OCD. Only in our book mention only one causes. It is maybe a problem with the way one part of brain send information to other. Okay. So what is the main cause of OCD? OCD main cause is serotonin. And what is the meaning of serotonin? Serotonin is the chemical in the brain that send message from one part to another part. It is called serotonin. Serotonin is the chemical in the brain. And what is the function of serotonin? Serotonin send message from one part to another part. It is called serotonin. And cause of OCD is insufficient serotonin. Cause of OCD sufficient और अनस्पेसिफिक. ओके. अगर सेरोटोनिन प्रॉपर नहीं है बॉडी में देन मे बी कॉज ऑफ OCD. नाउ यू विल चेक दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ OCD, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर? व्हाट इज द मेन ऑब्सेशन एंड व्हाट इज द मेन कंपल्सिव? Okay. Now these are the causes of OCD. Okay. And already I told the serotonin is the main cause of OCD. In picture you can check the various cycle of OCD: obsessive thoughts, then after anxiety, then compulsive behavior, then temporary relief.